In the last video, we discussed about the multiple choice questions of day 1 series. In this video, let us solve only 1 mark question of the LBA solution series day 2. Answer the following questions for 1 mark. Question number 17. Write the standard form of the pair of the linear equation with the variable x and y. So you already know the standard form of the pair of the linear equation. Pair means 2. That is a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0. And you can write another equation as a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0. Question number 18. How many solutions does the pair of the linear equation in a two variables have if they are inconsistent? That is no solution. It is already said in the multiple choice question video. If you not watched, see the playlist and watch day 1 series of the LBA solution of this chapter. That is linear pair of the linear equation in two variables. So I already explained in the first video, so you can go through it. Next question, question number 19. How many solutions does the pair of the linear equation a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0 and a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0 if a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2? So this condition already I told you, it is unique solution. Question number 20. How many solutions does the pair of the linear equation in two variables have if the lines represented by them are coincident? That is many solution. Question number 21. The perimeter of rectangle having length L units and breadth B units is 32 meter. Form a linear equation in two variables for the statement. So you can write 2 into length plus breadth. It is regarding the perimeter of the rectangle. Next question, question number 25. How many solutions does the pair of the linear equation x plus 2y minus 4 is equal to 0 and 3x plus 2y minus 5 is equal to 0 have? So here it is equations have unique solution. By seeing the general form only I can identify. It is already asked in the examination June 2023. Question number 26. How many solutions does the pair of the linear equations 2x plus 3y minus 9 is equal to 0 and 4x plus 6y minus 18 is equal to 0 have? That is coincident line. Regarding 1 mark question. So till 26th. Next question. Question number 27. How many solutions does the pair of the linear equation in two variables have if the lines represented by them are intersecting? That is one solution if it is intersecting. If the two lines are, or the pair of the linear equations in two variables have the lines which is intersecting, then it is having only one solution. How many solutions does the pair of the linear equation 2x minus 3y plus 4 is equal to 0 and 3x plus 5y plus 8 is equal to 0 have? That is one solution. Question number 29. How many solutions does the pair of the linear equation 2x plus 3y minus 9 is equal to 0 and 3x minus 2y plus 6 is equal to 0 have? That is one solution. So this is regarding question number 27, 28 and 29. So the three conditions you have to know. Then only